I am not a super chef, but I love cooking and I love this knife. It cuts everything beautifully and cleanly, from very, very fine cuts to larger cuts. It's very smooth. It has this solid weighted handle and it just feels really, really good in my hand. I know it's made of fancy Damascus steel, and that's probably why it cuts so beautifully, but that's all beyond me. All I really know is it feels excellent in my hand, cuts beautifully and cleanly, has a great slide back and forth, and it is without question my favorite knife that I go to for just about anything. Now, a couple things about it. So let me show real quick. Cutting with it, very clean, very easy to do. I love cutting meat with it. It's wonderful for that. Now, something to keep in mind with it is hand wash only, and I recommend drying it. We've had this for about 6 years now, and you can see that I have damaged it a little bit. It has a little chip right there, and over here you can see where the steel has been damaged a little bit. That was right in the beginning when we first bought it. I didn't know that I should dry it every time completely after use. So now when I'm finished, I'll just wash this real quick and then I'll dry it with a towel. And so it's perfectly clean and ready to go back in my cupboard. And since we started doing that, there's been no more damage. We sharpen it at home with a home sharpening kit every few months, and it gives us the clean cuts we want with all of our food. If you are looking for a go-to kitchen knife, this is it.